In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the Reddit app if it's not working properly. First, you want to long press on the Reddit app. Now tap on this app info icon and that should take you to app settings. Here, you want to locate the option of storage. Go ahead and tap on it. Now find the option of clear cache. Tap on that. You can also tap on clear data, but after that you will have to log into your account again. Next, head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Now launch open Reddit and check if that fixes your issue. If it does not, then what you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can switch between Wi-Fi and data and check as well. Next, open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search for Reddit. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If the app is still not working, restart your device. After your device has been restarted, launch open Reddit and check. As a final step, if none of these steps work, then you can uninstall the Reddit app. Once you have uninstalled it, you again want to reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.